Hey, we're standing up on our mezzanine. Pretty exciting. We just stuck some old boards up here for the moment. So basically, once this is finished, the mezzanine will end and you'll just step right off the edge onto the net, which will cover the other half of the room back here. So we decided to stick the shower and the sink on this far wall of the mezzanine. We've changed plans a few times. The shower will be right here with glass walls on these two sides, and the entryway would be through this way. And then opposite the shower will be the sink, represented by this rubber bucket facing the shower. And it won't be closed off to the bedroom, it'll just be a sink and a shower open. We thought it'd be better just to keep things as open as possible and not build lots of walls up here. Voila.